Canvas MIS system that is appreciated in global forum like Sanitation and Water for All. Among 753 local level government, we have already entered to the 448 municipality. Till date, we have completed more than 100 municipality. We have collected household level water supply data. Similarly, we have collected to some extent the sanitation sector data also. That we have not analyzed that septic tank, those in scattered settlement. We have not collected the groundwater pollution level data. That means whatever we collected, how the currently practiced sanitation system, whether that affect the groundwater table or not. So in the coming days, we will analyze and we will collect the data up to that level also. You know that this Canvas MIS system is considered as a GIS-based planning and monitoring tools. We have practice in our country to accommodate that equity and inclusive sanitation plan that we have practiced output-based aid for the poor and marginalized group, even for the cross-subsidy approach also for the house water supply pipeline connection in the household level. So it is very good, and every local level leaders are interested to continue this type of MIS system to complete in the household level. Currently, many donors are coordinated by the Ministry of Water Supply, who is working with and which municipality in order to minimize the duplication and the transparency of the data collection. Main problem in the MIS data collection, you know, there is a reliability of the data. We have some training and capacity building program how to collect the correct and reliable data to have the very good MIS system. I have my colleague, that senior divisional engineer, Mr. Prabhat. He is closely involved in this MIS system. Maybe some challenges we are facing to have the very good MIS. Maybe he will supplement to some extent.
MIS system, we call it a national WASP MIS system, and it has just like we presented by our principal sir. The data till date, I just searched over from my mobile, and it was 448 municipalities. That is what we have got over till date. Yeah, and out of the 753 municipalities, the major challenges what we are facing over here in the MIS system is the capacity of the local level to how to get the data. What's the importance of the MIS system? Because it's a MIS system which gives the local municipalities all the major cost of all the components. The MIS systems shows the cost of water supply, what it's required to achieve the SDG, sanitation, was in healthcare facilities, public sanitation also. Overall sanitation was related. The cost can be can come from the system. It's an automated decisions of it is an automated system. The local bodies only have to put the household level data, GIS based data. There are more than 15 apps associated with this platform. So it's a mobile, in a mobile apps. There are more than 15 mobile apps for which they have to put the data, and it generates automatically the WAS plan, and from that they can say that how they can achieve those SDGs, and its cost is also generated from the system, and more from it's not only it's a planning tool, also it's a monitoring, and further it has been improved to know the governance level of the local municipality, what they have done over in the WAS sector, whether they have properly WAS unit or not, WAS act or not, regulations, what they have prepared. It can be looked over it also. And for the challenges, I think the major is the capacity of the local level. If we'll see the data also, we analyze the data also, how it is. The cost of the water supply was very much higher, and the sanitation cost there was not coming from the local level. Why it wasn't coming from the local level? It was due to because they didn't feel the importance of the sanitary treatment. The knowledge about the wastewater waste treatment, sanitation, the national have been ODF. After that, for the cost, what they have to do for the safely managed sanitation, that has been because of the lack of the capacity, they couldn't put the information on the system. That's one of the issue what we are facing over here, the cost related to the sanitation, because they haven't put over the demands. Yeah? If those demands would be put, the system would automatically calculate what it will be the costing. For we have put the standard rates over there for the FSTP if they have to calculate, and range of cost, because sometimes they might enter the wrong figure. Is there are the standard cost and with the range of cost, so they have to put over the what type of system they would want, and the system automatically calculates it. So that's another one, capacity and the knowledge of on the importance of the sanitation.
We are developing that ANVAS MIS system, which is appreciated by the global forum also. I will share the contact number and the email address of our colleague who is directly involved and continuously involved to give this level of achievement. Thank you.